What's up, guys, and welcome to today's lesson. Now, in today's lesson, we'll be looking at a pentatonic lick. Now, pentatonic licks are really important if you want to break free and start improvising, playing piano solos here and there. All right. So, if you're excited to join me in this lesson, let's get right to it. This is how, this is the first pentatonic lick that we want to get into. And the good thing about these licks is that you're able to play it on almost every chord within the key. So we'll be working within the key of C, all right? So you have the pentatonic scale for key of C is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, all right? And the lick we'll be learning sounds like this. All right, so you can slow down. You can just play it anyhow you want to play it, right? So, for example, if I'm playing it over the F major 7, it sounds like this. So check this. I'm going to play it on the 4. So these are all 7th chords, right? Then 2 minor 7, and then 1 major 7. So I'll play the same lick over all 4 chords and hear how that sounds like. All right. Yeah. All right. So this is how, and of course it sounds good on the 6th chord as well. Okay, so you're going to play it like this. So this is just it's like 2 1 2 3 1 7 2 1 2 3 1 6. Sorry. Okay, but you're going to do just a grace note from the flat 3, right? So re do re mi do la 2 1 2 3 1 6. All right, then. So just practice like that. I use my middle finger to hit the E flat, bring it down to the D. Then second finger here, then all right. So with the left hand chord, okay. Now just to practice, I'm going to use a very simple chord progression. I'm just going to play the 4 to the 3, back to the 4. Just 2 chords, right? So you can feel free to just practice the improvisation, all right? So you're just gonna go right. So I'm gonna play a little bit here. We'll get that down, and then we look at like a slight variation of the same lick. All right. I'll get my beats from Logic here. Then we go. So 4 3, just 2 chords, right? So start improvising, right? Can take it up. Right. All right. So that's simple, right? So that's the melody. You realize I do. So all these are licks you can sort of add to it. But for now, let's just focus on this simple lick. Now I'm going to show you another variation of this. So just a variation is like taking the actual lick and maybe flipping it a bit or adding an extra note, right? So we can try another variation like, right? That's the first one. Variation. So you play the same beginning. Instead of coming down, you're going to the up to the 5 and then 3, right? So right, very good. So that was the second variation. So get that down, and let's look at a third variation. You could play just it. So it's going to do like, and then, all right. So that was the third variation, 3, right? The fourth one, before we add the loop in and sort of play with all together, is you can virtually do like, right? I'm just coming down in the pentatonic scale. So it's very important to actually learn the fingering of the pentatonic scale. So you have is 1, 2, 3. Your first 3 fingers plays 1, 2, 3, and then your first and second plays 1, 2. So if you want to go up the scale, so if you want to run a scale down in the pentatonic, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Sorry, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So that's the finger, right? So you can play. Right. So technically, this is how you're supposed to play the fingering of that thing. If you keep to the first 3 fingers like that, so right. So all right. So we have the four variations. The first one, simple one. So that's 1, 2. You have the 3. That's a 3, and the fourth one now is when you play. Yeah. So you go da 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 da. So you're just coming down in the pentatonic scale. Da da do do. That you repeat the same. All right. Let's bring our loop in and try and play along with it. All right. Try and have fun with it while I'm also going along. All right. Let's check it out. All right. Okay, so we're going to try the different version. First one, right? Second one. I'll try the next one again. Right? So that's how beautiful these pentatonic runs are. Now I'm just gonna use that variation. Right? As long as you keep to the and then if you play the pentatonic scale, right? Keep your fingering. Right? I'm trying to keep it really simple for you guys, right? So so you keep the lick as the main thing, and then sometimes you fill in with pentatonic, right? Excellent. So if you found this useful, just remember to subscribe, share with your friends, loved ones, anyone who wants to take their piano play to the next level. All right. I'm glad you joined me in this lesson. I'll certainly see you in the next lesson.